Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel, your one-stop shop for home improvement and DIY projects. Today, I will show you how to transform rusty metal patio furniture into a fresh and stylish outdoor piece with just a few simple steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Gather your supplies. Before we start, let's gather everything you'll need: sandpaper, a wire brush, rust remover, metal primer, spray paint for metal, and, of course, safety gear like gloves and goggles. Step 2. Prep your workspace. Prep your workspace by laying down a drop cloth in a well-ventilated area, preferably outdoors. This protects your surfaces and ensures safety when working with paint and chemicals. Step 3. Remove loose rust and paint. Use a wire brush to remove loose rust and flaking paint. Once that's done, sand the surface to smooth it out and remove stubborn rust spots. The goal is to create a clean, even surface for the paint to adhere to. Step 4. Clean the furniture. Once all the rust is gone, clean the furniture with a damp cloth to remove dust and debris. Let it dry completely before moving on to the next step. Step 5. Apply metal primer. Priming is crucial for a long-lasting finish. Use a metal primer to coat the surface evenly, and let it dry according to the label instructions. This step prevents future rust and helps the paint adhere better. Step 6. Paint the furniture. Now for the fun part: painting. Choose a high-quality spray paint designed for metal. Apply light, even coats, allowing each layer to dry before adding the next. This prevents drips and ensures a flawless finish. And that's it. Your rusty metal patio furniture is now as good as new. This simple project can save you money and elevate your outdoor space. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more DIY tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.